Watch animals grow. Kittens. Newborn kittens. A mother cat gives birth to kittens. They are tiny and weak. Their eyes are closed. Kittens sleep next to their mother. Their mother keeps them warm. What kittens eat? Kittens drink milk from their mother. It makes them grow fast. Soon they open their eyes. They walk on weak legs. They grow whiskers. Kittens get their baby teeth. Now they can eat kitten food. What kittens do? Kittens have soft fur. They lick their fur to keep it clean. Kittens play. They chase toys. They use their sharp claws to climb. Soon, kittens learn to leap. They can jump far and land on all 4 feet. Kittens snuggle. This kitten likes to snuggle.